Wishtrenders! In the previous episode, do you remember we did a tutorial on shaping your eyebrows and a daily eyebrow makeup look? If you haven't seen it yet, go watch the first episode now. Today, we're going to try a natural and fluffy eyebrow look that currently is trending in 2022. I'm so excited! Aren't you excited? If you type an eyebrow tutorial on YouTube these days, you get all these full and fluffy eyebrow looks. I've always wanted to try doing that with my eyebrows, but eyebrow wax seems like it's something that's hard to work with if you're never used to it before. That's why in today's video, we've prepared a tutorial on how to achieve the 2022 trending fluffy natural eyebrow look. And we're going to show you how to use eyebrow wax as well. We made sure the tutorial shows you the step-by-step process so our Wishtrenders can easily follow along. We have another guest today that will be our eyebrow model, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. So let's go! Apply the brow styling wax on your spoolie and adjust the amount of the wax you have on the lid. Brush the hairs upwards in the direction of their growth. Be patient and keep brushing. Control the hairs with the wax. After the hairs are lifted up, fill in the empty areas with an eyeshadow that is similar to the color of your hair. Next, use the brow pencil to add the hair-like texture. Repeat the steps to the other side of the brow. Apply a little bit of wax on the spoolie and adjust the amount so there isn't too much product inside of the brush. Too much wax will make the brows heavy and they won't stay in place. Then, brush the hairs upwards in the direction of their growth. A tip here is to press on the brows using the temperature of your fingers to set them into place. Then, as you did before, fill in any areas you want with an eyeshadow. And add texture using an eyebrow pencil as if you are drawing. The eyebrow wax contains lots of oil which may not hold up the brows for a long time. So there's an alternative product called a brow shaper like this one. Brush your brows up with the applicator. Then use the heat of your fingers to set them in place in the shape you desire. By adding this step, it may hold the brows stronger and longer in time. Fill in any areas you feel are empty with an eyeshadow and finish off by adding texture with a pencil. And then we are done with the 2022 trending eyebrow look. How was the tutorial? It's a different look compared to the ones in the first episode for sure. Which eyebrow look do you guys prefer? The daily eyebrow look that enhances your feature from the first episode or the fluffy eyebrow look that emphasizes each hair? Let us know in the comments on which you guys preferred. We updated our eyebrow videos from 2015 in this short series, so let us know if there's any other videos you would like for us to update. So until the next video, bye guys!